It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following. Are dogs' mouths cleaner than humans? The idea that a dog's mouth is cleaner than a human's is actually a fairly common assertion. The truth is that dog and human mouths are very different in terms of the bacteria they contain. So, is a dog's mouth really cleaner than a human's? It turns out the answer to this question is simply, no. But there's much more to it than that, and we're going to find out right now. Do dogs have cleaner mouths than humans? No. One reason the idea that a dog's mouth is cleaner has become so popular may have something to do with the fact that dogs have a completely different set of bacteria than humans. The bacteria they inhibit are not compatible with humans and are not as likely to have a negative effect on us humans if we accidentally exchange saliva with a puppy. This doesn't necessarily mean that a dog's mouth is cleaner. Human and dog mouths are completely different, and it's difficult to compare them, as we are two distinct types of mammals with distinct sets of evolutionary factors. The history of dog saliva in healing. Historically, many cultures, such as the Greeks and Egyptians, used canine saliva as a healing ointment. Canine saliva may contain some positive elements, such as the proteins it contains called histatins. First, licking a wound cleanses dirt and debris, and second, histatin proteins can prevent infection. Therefore, there is evidence of the benefits of canine saliva, but it is still not enough to consider it cleaner than human saliva. These factors may have contributed to the idea that dogs have cleaner mouths than humans and possibly where this myth comes from. Even so, we do not recommend using dog saliva for healing purposes. Follow modern medications and professional medical advice, as some bacteria present in dog saliva, such as Pasteurella, can cause serious consequences when in contact with an open wound, although they are harmless in the mouth. Both dogs and humans contain more than 600 different species of bacteria in their mouths. This does not include bacteria that can appear in specific environments. While comparing which is cleaner is like comparing apples to oranges, one thing is true for both. It is important to keep the mouth clean with appropriate measures. How to clean your dog's mouth. One similarity between a dog's mouth and a human's mouth is the bacteria that cause periodontal disease. The first stage of periodontal disease is gingivitis, which consists of swelling and inflammation of the gums. When bacteria begin to slowly accumulate on the teeth, they form dental plaque. This causes the slow destruction of teeth, starting at the roots. It also causes bad dog breath, gum irritation, and more harmful symptoms. Both dogs and humans are susceptible to this bacteria and its harmful effects if not controlled with proper hygiene. Brush your dog's teeth regularly. The most effective way to care for your dog's teeth is similar to how you care for your own. Be sure to verbally praise your dog and show positive body language when he licks the toothbrush or lets you put it near his mouth. He shouldn't associate the toothbrush with anything negative, so it's important to go slowly until he gets used to it and considers it a stimulating activity. Use dental wipes. This is less effective than a toothbrush because the bristles of a toothbrush provide a better cleaning, but it's a good way to keep his teeth clean if he doesn't like a toothbrush. Use dental chews. Dental chews for dogs work to remove plaque and tartar from the gums and teeth. Use supplements. Some dogs don't like the taste, but certain enzymes in pill form can help break down plaque and reduce bad breath. Schedule regular dental cleanings. Just like we visit the dentist, dogs should visit the vet at least once a year. Therefore, dogs' mouths may not be cleaner than humans, but it's important to try to keep them as clean as possible using conventional methods. It's important to be consistent with this, and one of the easiest ways to keep up with brushing your dog's teeth if you have a busy schedule that prevents you from brushing your dog's teeth is to use dental chews. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.